Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to see your user ID in Upwork. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface of Upwork once you have logged in. And right now, what we want to do is just look at our user ID. Let's simply focus on that. At the top right, here's your profile image right here. Just hover over it and its profile and account. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Well, here you can see your profile, stats and trends and everything. But right now, what we need to do is simply go to account settings. The button's just below connects. I'm gonna click on it. Then this will open up. And guys, as you can see right here under this account tab, you can see your user ID. This is what we're looking for. This right here is the user ID. And guys, that's it. That's how we view our user ID in Upwork. It's quite easy. Simply follow the steps that I had done. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.